Glad to announce that 200th match played at Sledgehammer Cricket Academy located in Faridabad Sector 86. Celebrations were organized by the academy on this occasion. The chief guests were District Deputy Commissioner Yashpal Yadav, Session Judge Puneet Sehgal, Sledgehammer MD Pradeep Mohanty, Sledgehammer Director Praveen Mohanty. Viceroy's captain participated in the cake ceremony along with the chief guests. Also present were Ankur Kaushik, the director of Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer MD Pradeep Mohanty presented the memento to all the people who came. Then a 2020 day-night friendly match was played between Sledgehammer and Viceroy's British Embassy. So this is Anika Maheshwari, host of the day, and we are at Sledgehammer Cricket Academy in the Sector 86. And there is a match is going to happen between Viceroy's 11 and Sledgehammer team. We would like to tell you that this match is double century, we can say this, and the toss has been won by the Viceroy's 11 and they have chosen for the bowling first. Let's see what is going to be happen. The match is going to be very excited over here. All the players are full of enthusiasm. As you have won the toss, how are you feeling now?
Well, we're looking forward to a game. We were down here about 6 months ago. It was a really enjoyable game of cricket against a great group of players from the Sledgehammer Academy, and all of our guys are really looking forward to it. I think we've all been suffering with lockdown and COVID, so we're just looking forward to getting out and having a hit.
Okay, so you have chosen the batting or bowling first?
No, we're going to have a bowl to start with. Yeah.
Thank you. You have chosen the tails or heads?
Actually, we lost the toss, but fortunately what we want, they have given the same thing to us. We want to bat first.
Okay.
So now we are going to bat.
Even though watching Corona, there was no audience to watch this match. Even without spectators, the players played this match with full of enthusiasm. Sledgehammer team won the match by 77 runs. District Deputy Commissioner Yashpal Yadav also displayed his bat in this match. The match started with a toss between Sledgehammer and the Viceroy's 11 team. Viceroy's 11 won the toss and took the bowling and invited Sledgehammer team to bat. Sledgehammer scored 210 runs, losing 7 wickets in 20 overs and aiming for 211 runs to win in front of the Viceroy's 11. Praveen Mohanty of the Sledgehammer team scored 47 runs in 29 balls with the help of 4 fours and 6 sixes, which was the most runs in his team. Team batsman Pradeep Mohanty scored 33 runs in 33 balls with the help of 3 fours. Idrish of Sledgehammer scored 25 runs in 17 balls with the help of 2 fours and 1 sixes. Himanshu scored 36 runs in 20 balls with the help of 4 fours. While bowling for the Viceroys, Mashup took 3 wickets for 19 runs in 4 overs. Shane took wickets for 46 runs in 4 overs. Sir, busy work schedule के बीच आज एंटरटेनमेंट का मौका मिला है, कैसा फील कर रहे हैं?
बहुत अच्छा है, खेलना तो हमेशा ही अच्छा लगता है, और जो स्ट्रेस भी अगर कभी होता है वर्क प्लेस के ऊपर, तो खेल उसका एक सॉल्यूशन है. अगर आप बाहर आके स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं तो वो स्ट्रेस बस्टर का काम करता है.
ओके सर, आप फ्रेंडली मैच हमेशा खेलते आए हैं एकेडमी में. स्लेजहैमर एकेडमी के बारे में कैसा फील करते हैं?
मैं काफ़ी सालों के बाद वापस फरीदाबाद में पोस्टिंग हुई थी, और पहले जब हम थे तो इतनी अच्छी स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी नहीं थी. स्लेजहैमर ने एक बहुत ही सुंदर यहाँ पर ग्राउंड दिया है. इसके अलावा काफ़ी सारी फैसिलिटीज़ उन्होंने यहाँ पे क्रिएट की है, और डे नाइट मैच खेलने की फैसिलिटी का मतलब ये है कि आप दिन में काम कर सकते हैं, शाम को आके थोड़ी देर आप खेल सकते हैं. तो मैं इस चीज़ के लिए एक्चुअल में मुझे खुशी भी और मैं बधाई भी देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने इतना सुंदर ग्राउंड यहाँ पे डेवलप किया और लोगों को खेलने की एक अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ पे आके मिलती है.
The Viceroy's 11 team chased a target of 211 runs and scored 133 runs in 20 overs. Viceroy 11 batsman Mashup gave 32 runs to his team with the help of 6 fours and 20 balls, which was the highest run in the team. Giri Excreta scored 24 runs in 31 balls with the help of 4 fours. While bowling for Sledgehammer, District Deputy Commissioner Yashpal Yadav took 3 wickets for 27 runs in 4 overs. Avinash Bhatia took 2 wickets for 4 runs in 2 overs. Partho Viswas took 2 wickets for 7 runs in 2 overs and Pradeep Mohanty took 1 wicket for 31 runs in 4 overs. Yashpal Yadav gave the title of Best Bowler to Mashup from Viceroys 11. The title of Best Batsman was given to Himanshu from Sledgehammer by Session Judge Puneet Segar. Man of the Match title presented to Praveen Mohanty by the Session Judge Puneet Segar.
सर मैन ऑफ द मैच का खिताब मिला है आपको, कैसा महसूस होता है?
अच्छा महसूस होता है। मैन ऑफ द मैच का आप जब भी किसी भी गेम को खेलते हैं और उसमें आपको कुछ भी अगर क्या कहते हैं एंटिसिपेट करने का या पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिलता है और आप उस पर थोड़ा सा अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं तो हमेशा ही अच्छा लगता है।
From Viceroys 11, the Best Batsman title was given to Praveen Mohanty and Yashpal Yadav got the title of Best Bowler from Viceroys 11.
How was about the match?
So the match was one-sided, but it was very sporting. Actually, there was some good cricket on both sides. Sledgehammer Cricket Academy are very strong, good batting and bowling. But for us, Masab bowled very well and batted well. Giri batted well, and I think Shane took a brilliant catch today. So we've had a great time. It's a friendship match.
So you enjoyed the match?
It's a friendship match. We've made a lot of friends, and we've had a great time.
Sir, as the last year you have won the match, how are you feeling?
So it was a good match. It was better match as we played last year. So it was little competitive, more competitive. And our batsmen played very well and the bowler did very good bowling and the fielding was good. So in totality it was a nice match, and because it was a 200 match of Sledgehammer, so we really enjoyed it.
Magnificent, Madhu.